Hello guys, good morning. Happy Wadi to everyone. Today we will discuss the problem of the day from Geeks for Geeks. It is related to strings and the medium level problem. Here the given string is in one operation you can remove the substring P or from the string S and get amount X, or you can remove the substring RP and get the amount Y. Okay, you need to find the maximum amount that we can make by performing these two operations optimally. We can remove PR or we can remove RP. Note here the given note substring of a this is the definition of a substring. It is a consecutive characters that we need to consider. For example, if we take like say if you take like RTP, then we can't make we can't consider this as RP. So the value of this is 0, because we can't make any RP or PR bits can be formed from this. Okay, that is thing that you want to convey. And here given after removing RP or PR, the order of remaining characters should be same. From this, say, DSP, RRR. If we take this, if we, I mean, if we remove this PR, it forms PR only. Okay, we can remove these things here and then remove these things. That's thing he wants to come here. Here I taken the example two for explanation. Okay, see here. For this I used the greedy approach. This is a greedy approach type problem. Let's take the example. The string given is PRPPT PPR, and the value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. The greedy approach is like if I find, I mean, if x is greater than y, then I will concentrate on PR substrings because say here they given PR for x. So if x is greater than y means concentrate concentrate more on PR substrings. Concentrate means first, I will give preference PR substrings. Okay, and the vice versa. If I is greater than, I will give preference for RP substrings. How this means like say if there is PR PR. See, okay. Here we can see. See here I will make it P and P. Here we can see x is greater than y. Assume that x is greater than y. Then I will give preference for PR substrings. This PR, this PR, and this PR I will consider. I won't consider this RP and this RP and like this. I won't consider RP. That is the thing um, approach I am following here. Later, at last, I will count the values of PR. See, we can observe here since y is greater than 7. Here we can see y is 7, x is 5. So y is greater than 7. So we need to find how many possible RP substrings. Okay, y is for RP, right? So I will find the maximum possible RP substrings. Later, after making all the operations, I find the possible PR substrings, the left PR substrings. Okay, let's take the example here. Let's take x is equal to 5 only and y is equal to 7. So I will concentrate on, actually I need to concentrate on RP substrings, right? But we can observe here there is no RP substrings that we can form by this string, right? Only PR substrings can be formed. So now we can see at last we need to find, right, PR substrings are 4. We can make here PR 4 substrings of PR. So I will make the value as 5 into 420. Okay. Firstly, I will concentrate on RP. If there are values of P and R are not is equal to 0, then I will make this as PR and I will multiply with X. That is the thing. Now come to this example. I mean the same example. I changed the values X is equal to 7, Y equal to 5. Here I will concentrate on PR, right? So I will concentrate on PR. Later RP. Um, Later RP. Here we can see here T is there, right? T. If I come across any character, that is not is equal to this, C is character C is not is equal to P, or character C is not is equal to R, then I will calculate the other possible substring values. I mean, say, substrings can form, and I will reset the values of P and R. See, let's take the example same here, PP, RR, P, PP, R. Uh, Here, so we can make here, see, we'll take here RP. So we can make here like we can see observe here. I will, since X is greater than Y, I will concentrate on PR. So I will store the value of P, increment the value of P by 1, P by 1, P by 1, P is equal to 3 here. When I come across R, I will check whether there is before P or present. P is present or not. Since P is 3, so we will subtract this P as 2 and increment the value by X. And later I will come across a P. I will just add this value. And I will come across since P is greater than 0, I will increment this and I will increment this value by X to X. And then I will come across R. I will check P is greater than 0 or not. Since it is greater than 0, I will decrement the P by 1 and make it as Px. Later here T is present, right? T is present. Since it is present, I need to find, since we up to this we checked for uh, up to this we checked for only PR substrings, right? There might be RP substrings also there that we ignored, right? Here now we can see P is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, because no extra R present, right? If no extra R, so there is no RP substrings possible with these two values. Uh, so I will make minimum of P comma R into Y. Okay, since in this condition R is equal to 0, so its value is 0. Otherwise, if you take R value as 4, then minimum of P comma R is 1, 1 into Y. That we add to the value. Okay, the same thing we can see here. Here, see, um, I will initialize these two values initially as 0. We can see here PR is we need to observe for PR values at first, since X is greater than Y. If we come across P value, we just increment the value of P by 1, because we need to focus on PR, right? If we come across P, then we just need to add the value of P by 1. If we come across R, then we need to search whether P is present before this R or not. Okay, if the P is present before the R, then we add the value of X. Otherwise, I just increment the value of r by 1, because there are substrings like rp also can form, right? Those things I am making here. Okay. The code for this I pasted in description. You can refer that. The same code what I have written here. We can see here like I initialize these values as 0, and I will compare at first if x is greater than or is equal to y, or y is greater than x. If x is greater than or equal to y, I focus on p or substrings. So if I come across p, I just add this value. If I come across r, I will check whether before present p is present or not. If it is not present, I will increment the r value by 1. If I come across the value that is not is equal to p or not is equal to r, then I will reset the values by making the pre p and r calculation, and at finally I will return the total. This is the code. The same thing I pasted in description. You can refer there. Yeah, thank you guys. Have a have a good day.